Today we have the PS and PC series phone clamps and stands. These accessories come in both silver and black. First is the PC90 phone clamp kit with the PS1 phone stand. The stand can fold out with a leg so that your phone can stand by itself. It is also Arca Swiss compatible and can be clamped onto a ball head. This kit allows mobility with a ball joint. There is a lock on the clamp to hold the phone in place. Next, we have the PS2 phone stand and clamp. This phone stand features rubber at the bottom to keep your phone steady. On one end is a cold shoe for accessories, and on the other is a 1/4 mounting socket. The clamp itself is spring-loaded. The legs on the stand are also Arca compatible, so it can be clamped into any ball head. Next, we have the PS3 phone clamp stand. This phone clamp also uses a spring-loaded design. This one features almost the same features as the PS2, a little bit more lightweight, whereas the PS2 is a little bit more heavy-duty. And it is also Arca compatible, so it can be placed on any ball head. Next, we have the PS4 phone stand and clamp. This phone stand differs in that the height is a little bit more adjustable. It can reach a little bit taller than the other PS counterparts. The phone clamp itself is also spring-loaded with a rubber pad on the back to keep your phone in place. This phone stand also has legs that are Arca Swiss compatible. It can be mounted to any Arca compatible ball head. Up next is the PC series phone clamps as well as tablet clamps. These come in various colors. This is the PC20. This one can be hung on a keychain. It features a 1/4 screw. The PC20 has rubber pads to prevent scratching your phone. It is also spring-loaded. The PC20 comes in these color options. Next, we have the PC60. This is a clamp that acts as both a stand as well as a hand ring. It is also spring-loaded. You can use the ring as both a mini phone stand as well as a ring to hold your phone. Next, we have the PC120. It's a phone and tablet holder. Use the lock on the left to increase the width. This phone clamp is also ARCA compatible and can fit on any ARCA type clamp. Lastly, we have the PC230. As well as the PC190. These are basically tablet holders of different sizes. They are both ARCA compatible and can be clamped down in any ARCA type clamp.